Okay, in this video, I am going to see if my video editor agent can edit the video for me and add some animations with a module called Remotion. So first what I want to do is I want to ask the main agent, whose name is Rocky. Rocky, can you see my new video uploaded to the VPS? So I just want to make sure Rocky can see the file that I want it to work with. And while it's checking, yep, so it's found it, that's great. Add a new task for the video editor to add some Remotion animations to each of the slides in the video. I also want each slide to transition from left to right or right to left or from bottom to top. And at the end, I want the video editor to add in a mobile view of the website home page. Okay, so let's send that off so we can see that the task has been created and the video editor is working away. I don't see the task in the agent task management system. Make sure you add the task into the system and add this as a rule for any new task. You must add every task into the agent task management system. And so let's wait and see what the video editor provides for us. Okay, so it's rendered the video. Now, I'll show you the original later, but essentially it's a slideshow video with a voiceover, and I wanted the slides to be slightly animated. Transitions and zoom in and things like that. I forgot to say zoom in, so I'm going to be keen to see what this has done. It's saying the video is now ready. So let's say post the video here in chat so I can watch it. Let's see if I can pull it down, and I want to see what it has done to the video from its original. And what it's doing is using a programmatic module called Remotion and applying some, animations. So what's it saying here? The video is 120 megs, which exceeds WhatsApp. Okay. Well, that's okay. I can download it. So I'll just let it know. That is okay. I will download it to my PC from the VPS. Alright, so let me go ahead and download the video. Imagine a system where AI agents totally... Okay, so let me first show you the original. I'll just play this. You may not be able to hear the sound properly because it's running on my computer.
Okay, what if I told you that you could run a whole web development agency without writing a single line of code? Seriously, imagine a system where AI agents totally...
Now, I want you to notice there's no animation here, okay? And I want you to know when it moves to the next slide, there's no animation, no transitions. So let's just watch a couple of slides, and then I'll show you the version that has now been edited automatically by my video agent. Let's continue to play this.
I mean, from drumming up business to actually building and launching websites. This sounds like something out of a movie, right? Well, let's dive in, because this isn't science fiction anymore. It's happening right now. So that brings up a really big question, doesn't it? Could a team of...
Okay, so hopefully you noticed that. There's no animation on this slide, right? I want to zoom in. And secondly, there's no transitions between moving to one slide to the next. Now let me show you the version that's been edited by the agent automatically, running in the background while I was doing other things. So let me bring that up.
Okay, what if I told you that you could run a whole web development agency without writing a single line of code?
Notice that it's zooming in.
Imagine a system where AI agents...
Right, this is what the agent has done. Edited the video.
To actually building and launching websites. This sounds like something out of a movie.
Now I want you to see the transitions from one slide to the next.
It's happening right now. So
you see that?
Really big question, doesn't it?
So it just makes the video a little bit more engaging. I'm going to just put the sound down.
Handle your emails or something. I'm talking about the whole shebang.
Okay, so I'll just put the sound down. Notice how it's zooming in. You see how now we have transitions from one slide to the next. And if you remember, this is exactly what I asked it to do. Give me transitions for each slide. Left to right, right to left, from bottom to top, and zooming in. I don't know if I said zooming in, but it knows that's what I want from previous video edits that it's done. Okay, so isn't it cool, right? You can now edit your videos just by talking to your video agent. And now I'm going to show you something really, really cool. So I'm going to stop the video, and I'm really happy with that. Now I did notice something that it didn't do, which I'm going to fix before I do the next step, and that is at the end, I wanted it to add a homepage of my website. It knows my website. It knows what page I am referring to. I'll just skip forward, but it did not do that properly, so I need to fix that. And I'm just going to fix that myself. I'm not going to get it to re-render the entire video. So this is the issue, that it's used at the end. So I'm going to fix that, and then I'm going to show you something really, really cool, where we are going to get the video agent to automatically come up with the title, the description, the hashtags, and the thumbnail, and automatically push this up to my YouTube channel. Okay, so in the meantime, I'm just going to fix the last ending component of the video, which I'll do. It won't take more than a few minutes, and then I will show you how my video editor, in fact, what I might do is get it started on that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I want my agent to start working on the title, the description, and the thumbnail of the YouTube video that I'm going to be getting the agent to upload soon, while I go ahead and make some final adjustments. I want the video agent to read the video transcript, which is located here, and I want the video editor to work with the marketing agent to come up with at least 10 title suggestions and a YouTube description for the video and a thumbnail. And make sure the video editor is following the existing process document that outlines how all of this needs to work. Okay, so let's just fix this up. So this is where I've pasted the transcript file. And I'll just tell it where this is. It's on the root. File is on VPS in root. Okay, and the video editor to work with the marketing agent. Let's fix this up and supply at least 10, let's say high ranking. Let's go total suggestions and a YouTube description for the video and a thumbnail, and make sure the video editor is following the existing process where I document that outlines how all of this needs to, let's just say it needs to be done. Okay, so I have already provided various documents that I have built over time that the agents need to refer to do these kind of things. Okay, so I'm going to let the agents go and work and come back with information. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and just add in that last part onto the video that I have to do manually, just because I don't want to waste time getting the video editor to add that 5-second picture of my website and have to redo the entire video rendering process again. Okay. Okay, now while my video is rendering, which I've now got it to where I want it to be, just a bit of manual work to add in just at the end of it, my website landing page. If you remember, I asked my video editor agent and the marketing agent to work together and come up with some titles for the new video, a thumbnail, and a description. So this is the thumbnail. Now you can't see all of it. Let me see if I can bring that to the screen. I will just grab that. Well, actually, you can see it here. I'll just zoom. You can see the image on the left. I'll zoom in to see, so you can see the text. Right, real case study. AI runs a web agency no-code full workflow. I'm happy with that image. So let's have a look at these titles. An AI run web agency no-code. How AI has built a client website. Run a web agency with AI agency 2026. That's pretty cool. Okay. Yep, just reading through these. I like number 3. Number 9 is good as well. Let's have a look at the description. Okay. Yep, this is okay. No timestamps. So I needed to add timestamps. Actually, it doesn't really matter. I can leave timestamps out for now. So the number 3 is what I like. Let me just get some feedback. I like number 3. What do you think? And I'll just say this is for the marketing agent. Okay. Now, while that's going on, I'm going to upload the video to the VPS so I can upload it to YouTube with all the different things that it needs to post it. Okay, so I have the video that's uploading to my VPS. Now, make sure to rename the video with the title before uploading to YouTube. The video is in the videos folder and is called. Now let me grab the name of the video that I've uploaded. I think it's this one. Make sure the video editor adds the title, the description, and the right thumbnail is uploaded. And make sure you remember to rename the video prior to uploading to YouTube. Confirm that you can find the video file. Okay, so we're making sure that the video file gets renamed to the title because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. It's in the videos folder on my VPS. It's called this, and I'll just put this in quotes. And all the instructions for the video editor to do its thing, the title, description, and I don't know why it says white there. Actually, maybe that's supposed to be YouTube thumbnail. And just reminding it to rename the video. This should be prior. Okay. I really need a better narrating tool, a voice to text. Right. Okay. So that's all I need to do to get this video uploaded to YouTube. So what did we do? We created an original video that I did through Google Notebook LM, and that video was created from some of my other artifacts. Okay. And then the Google Notebook LM video creation didn't really add any animation, it just added slides. Okay. And so I got my video editor agent to use a module called Remotion to add in some transitions as it was moving from one slide to the next, and some zoom in animations. And the only issue with that was an issue at the end where it did not show my landing page of the website in the video, which is what I wanted, which I did in a couple of minutes. And I've now uploaded that video back into the VPS, which is where my agents run. And now my agents have created the title, the YouTube description, and the thumbnail image, and they are now going to upload it to YouTube on their own. So we'll just watch this and get confirmation with the video URL once they are done. And that's how I use my agents to do my work for me. All I had to do was give it a few things that it needed and fix up the ending. And the only reason I did that was I didn't want to waste CPU on my hosted environment to go render the entire video again just to change the last 5 seconds of the ending. I just did that myself, and it took me a couple of minutes. Okay, so we'll let this run, and let's upload to YouTube, and then we'll see the output in a few minutes. Now you can see here confirmation that it's uploaded to YouTube, and I like for the video to be live before I delete the original video from my VPS to save space on the VPS, and it's saying it's live. So I'm going to click on that and see what it looks like, and I'll show it to you here as well. And then we can tell the VPS to go ahead and delete it. And notice that when it's uploaded the file, it's already asking me, do I want to delete it? That's because it has instructions within its role to delete videos after you've uploaded them to YouTube, right? So that I don't have a stack of old videos sitting on my VPS online. Because I've already got these videos stored, one on YouTube when it's uploaded, and secondly on my local PC where I did the work, and thirdly, I move all of that onto an external hard drive as well. So I don't need to clog up my VPS that's online where my agents run. So let's have a look at the video, and then we can tell the agent to move ahead and clean up the VPS. Okay, so the video's live. I'm going to hit play. The volume I've set it to low so that it doesn't make too much noise while I'm recording. You can see the zoom animations in, which tells me that's the right video that the agent has uploaded. And how cool is that? The agent's done all that work for us. We've just given it a few little things, but ultimately it's gone ahead and uploaded the video. I like the transitions. Now I just want to make sure the ending is in here as well. So it's a pretty cool video uploaded by, in fact, it was created by AI as well. The video was actually created by Notebook LM, Google's video creation tool, taking information from some of my resources that I fed it in. The only thing, as I said, I didn't like, I had no animations, no transitions. So all I want to see now at the end, is it going to correctly show my landing page? There we go. Right, so perfect. This is exactly how I wanted this video to be. This is the part that Remotion did not do properly, that I had to do manually. But overall, I am happy with the output, and all of this was done by my AI agent. So how cool is that? So look, if you want to learn how to do this stuff, if you want to learn how to set up these systems and be with like-minded people and a community of developers and experts and specialists, then join the vibecodingacademy.club community, which is hosted on School, and you will learn so much. And once you have these systems in place, you'll be unbelievably productive, and you'll be able to automate almost everything that you do for yourself or for your business or for clients, or even start up a brand new business using the skills that you learn inside of the community. So I hope to see you on the inside, and I hope this video was useful.